So I'm actually trying to get my mic real quick. But regardless of that, not me walking through my apartment. But regardless of that, I had started Walla and then I changed my mind because I could not get into the story. Like I really couldn't. It was not, I'm sorry, but it was not entertaining. And then I was looking at reviews online and stuff like that, and I did not see. There was some people that were like, "Oh yeah, it's good and dramaful and da da da," but some of the videos that I did see that were actually kind of like analyzing the story for what it is, I did not like what they had to say. Excuse me while I make myself something to eat. Is this clean? Why is this? So I actually want to start listening to. I left my ring in the room. I actually want to start listening to A Rage of Dragons. So I'm actually gonna start listening to this, and I kind of want to do like a read with me type video. So while I make some food, I'm gonna listen to a few minutes of this book. Girl, time is going. Let me hurry up. So I have finished making my food. I'm about to go into my little reading room. The book is good so far. Right out the gate, things just start popping off. I'm like, damn, slow down a little bit. So I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to, I guess, come back and let y'all know what I think about the book or how far I got. what's the rush? Ooh. Man, that song is stuck in my head. Child, I need to take me a nap. It's like you get older and you feel like you just need a nap for any little old thing. You know what I'm saying? You take your time. What's the rush? Ooh. So far I made it to chapter 1. I don't know how much of this film I'm gonna do, but I at least wanted to film something. I got to work on some schoolwork, and I also started working on those side projects that I am not ready to talk about yet. But The Rage of Dragons is giving very much Gladiator, which is really cool because I literally just watched the first, well, not literally, but because the second Gladiator came out not too long ago, I ended up rewatching the first one, and it was really good. The second one I wasn't really a fan of. The whole two kings thing just didn't make any sense to me, and I still don't really know what relevance they have in the story, but maybe I just need to watch it again. But maybe not. I won't be watching it anytime soon, at least. Yeah. But yeah, the beginning of the story is set up really nicely, like very engaging. And it was so funny because the beginning part of the book, it was like this happened, that happened, this happened, and now it's chapter 1. It's like I thought I was already in chapter 1. Like what? But I did find that when I was like doing a little bit of research on this book, I wouldn't really say research, but when I was just trying to find like a little bit of stuff on it, that some people were saying that this is advanced science fiction. So my theory is that if I listen to the audiobook, maybe it would be a little bit easier for me to comprehend, because I know sometimes the terminology and the building can kind of get confused. That's where people get confused at. At least that's what I'm thinking. So I'm hoping that maybe the audio version will be a little bit more easier to digest. But I'm really excited to get into it. And my favorite hobby is to listen to audiobooks while I do other things. And it's actually really interesting that I've been able to really keep up with the pacing of the stories, or even just remembering and retaining the story itself, because I was never an audio learner, an auditory, how you say it? Is it audio? Auditory. I never really been a good really listener. Like that wasn't my strong suit in school. I'm a very visual learner, but you can also teach yourself things too. So I guess you could say I've taught myself how to be a better auditory learner. So just in case, I want to end the video here because I am contemplating on taking a nap. Child, I'm just... And the news is talking about some snow tomorrow, so we gotta see what's going on. I'm about tired of this winter stuff. Yeah, child. But yeah, just so if I haven't made it clear before, Walla is a no-go. If you read it and you liked it, let me know in the comments down below. I think I might be ending the video here because I really don't have anything else to really say. But yeah, ciao. I need to take a nap. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next video.